Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. So today I have my cousin's Honda Hness, which is the anniversary edition Honda Hness, and we are going to install this. That is the Moto Talk crash guard. So it has already got a crash guard, but we are going to install the Moto Talk crash guard onto it. And he's also done a basic upgrade on his motorcycle. So when I say basic upgrade, a basic modifications, that is handlebar raiser, and then also he's put up a small windshield kind of a thing in the front, and certain other upgrades. I'm going to show you that. So without wasting any time, I will see you right after this intro video. So welcome back to my channel, guys. So I have the anniversary edition of Honda Hness with me, and like I mentioned, I'm going to Big Wing Honda Mangalore to install a new crash guard, which is from Moto Talk. I'll show you that once I reach there. So the basic other upgrades which have been gone into this motorcycle is, one is this handlebar raiser. See that? So that's from Bandidos. So I'll put up a link in the bottom so you can check out the link. So there's a handlebar raiser which has been installed to make it more comfortable. And the second modification which has gone in this motorcycle is this aux light. This is from HJG aux light. So you see here, that is HJG aux light. It's very good. It's a 2-in-1 aux light. And then the switch for the same is here. You can use white light or the yellow light on this motorcycle. And then also another thing that you've done here is these covers for the oil boxes. Similarly up here, cover. So these are the basic mods which has gone into this motorcycle. Now let's go to Big Wing Honda. I'll see you when I reach there, and I'll show you the all new Moto Talk crash guard installation, and I'll show you how the motorcycle looks after that. So here I am at service center. So meet Mr. Rajesh.
Hi.
So he's the person who will be responsible for everything to do in Mangalore. I'm going to put a link here, or his number. You can see his number here. So you have anything to do with servicing, please connect Rajesh at Big Wing Honda Mangalore. And that's the service center. I'm not allowed there. But however, I'll show you the lounge. The waiting lounge here is extremely good. Check that out. Wow. And you have television as well, and from here you can see everything that's going to happen with your motorcycle. So you can sit, relax, play chess if you wish to, have some coffee, and then enjoy watching some MotoGP, and also enjoy that. So I simply said I'll not be allowed there. I'll get in and I'll put a time lapse of installing the entire bit. So here we have the Moto Talk crash guard. So this is the stock crash guard which has come, which is very good. But then for whatever reason, my cousin wanted a different crash guard which he liked from Moto Talk. So we are going to install the Moto Talk crash guard. So I'm going to put a time lapse as well, so that you can quickly come to know how he's going to dismantle that and install the new one. At any point of time you want to come here, do any kind of service, see the bikes are getting mounted. So you've got about 1, 2, 3 ramps to service all the motorcycles. And oh yeah, so we've got one of my favorite motorcycle, which is the CB300R. It's a mini rocket. Trust me guys, it just goes like a rocket. And yeah, good packing by Moto Talk. So let's open this. So here you have the crash guard. This comes in 2 pieces, yes, and you have the slider as well. Look at that, very nice. So let's install this now. We'll show you guys a time lapse of how to fit in the crash guard. So they're removing the original crash guard and they will be fitting the Moto Talk crash guard. brand new Moto crash guard is installed. This is how it looks. Check this out. It looks good as well, and you can probably keep your legs on this while you're riding just in case you get tired. So this is one side. Look at the other side. It's very compact. At the same time, it just gives exactly right protection for your engine as well as your bent pipe exhaust. It gives you a good protection, so I think it's a good job. So I'm going to give a link in the description. You can go check out the Moto crash guard if you wish to buy one. And thank you very much at Big Wing Honda Service Center who've helped me put this together. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It was very easy and they've just done it in less than 10 minutes. It was installed good. So I'm very happy with it. So until the next video, please stay tuned. Hit the bell icon to make sure you get an update on every video upload, and also do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Stay at home, stay safe, vaccinate yourself if you haven't. Bye bye for now.